X.
No, it's either you do y or do fx. You don't combine. So which one do you want to do? We want to do a recap of y or recap of fx. Which one do you all want?
FX.
Okay, you all want to start with fx. So fx is always the what? Fx equal to blah blah blah. This person is always the. It's called the what?
Equation.
Yes, equation. So what do we do with the equation?
Sub values and draw your line.
No, what topic are we in?
Differentiation. You differentiate to get the gradient.
You differentiate, and then what will you get?
F prime.
F prime x equal to blah blah blah. And this is called the
Gradient.
gradient. Then after that, what do you do again?
G X.
What do you do?
F
Shruti, what do you say?
Differentiate.
Yes, you differentiate. And after that, what do you get now?
Prime x.
Okay, F prime x equal to blah blah blah. And this person is the what?
shape.
What shape?
Like
Second derivative.
Second derivative give you what?
like a minimum point, maximum point, or point of inflection.
Now, with the same concept, instead of fx, what others can we also use?
Y.
Y is equal to blah blah blah. And this person is the
Equation.
equation. And what do we do with the equation?
You differentiate.
You differentiate it. And what do you get?
dy over dx.
Equal to blah blah blah. And this is your
Gradient.
gradient. Then after that, what do you do?
Differentiate. You
You
get d square y over dx.
So this is your second derivative equal to blah blah blah. And this is your max slash mean slash POI. Right? Okay, so now let's go back to fundamentals. So the fundamentals, first thing first is, so Qiyuan, you're almost there. Actually, Qiyuan, I would kind of give you the marks. Good job, Qiyuan. Good attempt. Is it someone help you?
No, I figured out my own.
Very smart. Okay, so right now they say the points 3, 6, and 3, 1. What do you notice about 3, 6, and 3, 3, -1? Why they choose such interesting points?
Cause the one point is above the other.
Yes. So this is 3, 6. Okay, and 3 minus 1. Can you see it's literally above each other? Guys, understand? Okay. Hello? Who's not okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are your points. Now they say it lies on fx and gx. So it means that this point, let me redraw again. This one is on fx. Okay, then I'll change color. This person is on gx here. But I do not know how fx and gx will be like, right or not? It can be curved, it can be straight line, I do not know. But I have one more clue. Can you see this person? What does this mean? What is f prime x referring to?
F prime x is referring to the gradient.
Gradient of who?
Of the graph.
Of who?
Fx.
Yes, fx. And what is g prime x referring to?
Gradient of gx.
Yes.
Yes, gradient of gx. And they say that these two gradient are the
Same.
same. So if same gradient, what does that mean already?
They are parallel.
Yeah, so if the same gradient means they are parallel. Understand? So it means that I don't know what is it. I just anyhow draw. I know that they are parallel to each other. Right now, whereby this person is my fx equation and this person will be my gx equation. Right now, guys? So if they're parallel means, what do you notice? To get from fx, they want to express gx. Okay. So they want to express gx. What do you notice? How do you go from gx to fx? If it's parallel, means I'm what? What is the movement of this graph? to go from gx to fx?
Move up.
What do you say?
Move up.
Yes, it's a movement up by how many?
Up by 7.
7. And how do we express this mathematically? Move up means what?
Plus 7.
So it means that gx, I will
Plus 7 equals to fx.
yes, but they want gx, right? As the subject. So gx will therefore be equal to
-7.
fx minus 7.
yes, that's all. The end. And that's all for question number 6. So next up, we'll move on to question number 7. But before that, Shruti and Tia need to send me question number 5.
Okay.